Warning, the following video is not a fishing video, but it is about food.
Okay, hey guys, so we're doing something a little different today. We'll be talking about these donuts that everyone's been posting.
If you haven't heard about it, it's the mochi donuts. From Modo?
Yeah. So they're actually from Hawaii. They did a pop-up here locally, so Karen and I decided to check it out.
3-hour wait.
It is a long wait.
Today was the last day.
Today was the last day. But I told him I want to try these donuts.
I really didn't want to wait, but she really wanted it. So.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, let's try these out.
So there's 3 different flavors. There's the, what is that one?
We have our glazed one. We have
strawberry and then the honeydew.
Yep.
So.
And we haven't tried this before, so this is our very first time.
So I'm excited.
What are we gonna try first?
Let's try the honeydew.
Honeydew. That's this one, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Powder. Looks like sugar.
So they coated it with some kind of sugary melon flavor.
You can really taste the honeydew.
It's like you know what a donut tastes like in a mochi, so like the inside is kind of like a mochi. That's actually pretty good.
Kind of messy.
If you don't know what a mochi tastes like or feels like, the texture's kind of like chewy. A little chewy, like doughy kind of.
Super soft, yeah. But this is so good. The people that were like right in front of us, they were comparing it to Krispy Kreme. And they were saying that
they said it was way better.
Yeah.
Definitely different.
I'm ready to try the next one.
I'm about to eat the whole thing.
This one's the honey.
I guess I'll just eat half of it.
Yeah.
It's just the honey glaze?
Mm-hmm.
Honey glaze. Let's go.
It's so like soft.
I do like that little doughy
in
texture.
The middle. Like right in the middle, it's very like chewy. There is a difference between like Krispy Kreme and this.
Yeah.
The mochi makes a difference. That's good.
I like that one. Strawberry. Let's go.
Kind of messy.
I can't really taste the strawberry too much.
The honeydew you can really taste. But
just
they're all good. No. Yeah, I can't really taste the strawberry.
Can't really taste the strawberry too much, but it's still good though.
I think I need some water.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
Was it worth the wait?
I don't want to use it for that.
I'm getting a little thirsty.
I mean, I don't really eat a lot of sweets or donuts, but I guess still it's worth it.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's good.
it's like a trending thing right now. You know, the mochi donuts trending. I mean, gotta try it out. Today was the last day, and I guess they're going back to Hawaii, and then they're come back next month.
I like this one. You can have it. But excuse me. I'm happy we tried it.
Half mochi, half donut.
Half donut. Never tried it ever, and I'm impressed.
It's good. It's good.
It's good.
So if you haven't tried it out, go try it out. I don't know where everybody's from, but it's originated from Hawaii.
Oh,
right?
That's what they said. They just came out here for, I guess, a few days.
Yeah.
And yeah, today was the last day, and I'm glad we waited.
Over 3 hours, actually.
Over 3 hours, yeah. But yeah.
The line was actually going out of the building, so it's crazy. So we're like, you know what, let's just try it out.
Yep.
Although at first I was like, let's go home.
I was like, no, I want to try this. So I'm glad we did. I'm glad he waited with me. But yeah, that's it.
Good job. That was good. All right, guys. That's about it for today. Well, we will be fishing pretty soon.
So yeah.
We're going to be in the Eastern Sierras. We're going to be fishing. More videos coming. Until then, we'll see you guys later. Peace.